Yo people, what's going on? It is some guys, what guys? And today we are recreating iconic World Cup goals. Boom!
On the bench and we've been in the shadows. Now we're on the world stage like Cristiano. If I see my shot, then I'ma rinse my ammo. Come tonight, these goals like Cristiano. We make these songs for the love of the game. Team just jumps on a plane, now we up and away. Any month or day, SOM, that's more than a name. We've been on the bench and we've been in the shadows. Now we're on the world stage like Cristiano. If I see my shot, then I'ma rinse my ammo.
Alright then people, so first up, we got that legendary 1970s versus Italy Carlos Alberto shot. Jax, you starting? Nah? Nah, you ain't taking that on? Oh, you?
No, Dash is starting.
Has, oh, look at it. Hello.
Yeah, hold up, I'm just setting up this.
Are you ready to do this?
Oh, actually.
Have you got this? He's having too much fun with his drone though. Right, let's go. And the crowd goes wild! Fuck! And the crowd goes wild! Hey! Right. Hey, belly! 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 Come on! I mean, the pass could have been a bit better. Hey! Ah! Hey, belly! Belly! That was naughty! Yes! Wait, can I see him? Oh! Get out of here! Ooh! Hers! One more again. I'll do that fast this time, though. Oh! 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 Oh, I love how you dance above him, but you definitely should have teabagged him. Alright, one more. Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, boy! I told you. Outfield breath. I definitely say that. Like so the next goal is Zidane for France against Brazil, 1998 World Cup. Now I chose this one myself because I love players like Zizou, you know what I'm saying? So let's check it out, let's see if we can do it. Let's get it. Oh, and again. That's a good one. What, Bob? Ah! Ah! That was a good cross as well. It was. It was well met. That was a good cross. Nearly. Yeah. Yes! Off the shoulder! Yeah! Off the shoulder! Hey. They all count. Get in there! I mean, that was unlucky.
Hiya, yeah?
Yeah.
See ya.
See ya. I mean, you got it in.
What are we saying? Yep.
I feel like that was perfect.
That was a good one. I just missed it. I was worried about running into the post. I mean, yeah.
What do you want to do? You got it in
I'm gonna call it a
twice.
Fail, maybe. What are we calling that? Fail? I don't know.
Well, you got it in with the second one.
Can we go one more? Anyone?
Yeah.
Yeah, one more? Alright, one more. But look, I want it like middle, like that area.
I'm not a professional footballer.
Woo, it come back to bite.
That was a bit too high.
It's alright. It's alright. No, we admit defeat.
That's how I go. Apparently striker.
Oh! Oh! Okay. Okay.
Don't give up, you just got
Okay.
That was naughty.
Okay.
I want attempt number 2 anyway.
Yeah.
I actually think I'm fucking sick at corners, bro.
I agree.
You've got to leap for it.
Declan has.
My right leg's gone dead. That's why they turn shit.
Okay.
Although, to be honest, Dash doesn't need to have another one, bro. That was the best one so far.
Yeah, but I want a proper connection.
Alright, I'm just saying, so far you've won anyway.
Fuck me.
Oh! Oh! Nice.
Yeah, it was a ball.
Both Haz and Joe put in a great cross. I'll be your boy Dash Largo. Sign me up.
Or is it Zizou?
It was easy.
Come on, Jack.
Zidane on top.
Netherlands with Zizou.
Oh! Oh! Lovely.
Definitely taking a free kick.
Oh! Well met.
Alright then, that's round 2 concluded, people. Get in the comments, let us know who do you think did it best.
Yes, people, so I've completely fucking bust up my right knee, which is fun. So they're going to do the Rodríguez chest and then volley. And then hopefully, as long as my knee feels a little smidgen better, I'm going to go in goal for the last one.
You want to say hi? Oh, hey.
I chest here. Right, ready? Alright.
Low battery. Oh, that was a pretty good attempt, bruv.
Not bad. Not bad. Mad. Ready? Oh, that sat quite well as well.
I'm still going to try and get one bit.
Lovely day, just got paid. Fucking bug in my ear, bro. Lovely day, just got paid.
Oh!
Shall I try left foot first? Yeah. Right. I mean left. Right, yeah. And it's Rodríguez! Fuck! Right then, you ready, lad?
Oh. Oh no!
Big goal!
Yeah, I thought he was going wider, right?
No.
I've been retired for years now.
Sorry, I just thought I'd try something different.
Come on, Jax, free shot.
I hate myself. Right. Oh, Jack, kick roller.
I had the silencer on.
Rodriguez. Oh. Yes!
Doesn't count.
They tested him.
Safe to say, that Rodriguez goal is undefeated.
Ronaldo versus Spain. Free kick on the right of the D. Oh. Oh. Scored though. Scored though. Oh. Oh! That was doing it.
That was nice.
What?
That was nice.
What? That was going in.
Yeah, that was nice.
Oh! That was doing it.
What?
That was going in.
What?
That was going in.
What?
That was going
I
in.
told you, Jens Lehmann, fam.
Ow. You know, to recreate the goal, he's actually meant to like kind of let it in if it's going top bins, and he's not.
Fucking Jens Lehmann wouldn't let it in, would he? What? Red Army! Come on! What? What? Jens fucking Lehmann! What? What? Boom! Suck it! What the heck was that?
Ronaldo, free kick, busted. Busted.
It was a hoax.
Well, that was a bit unsuccessful, weren't it, lads?
Actually, he says unsuccessful. I think the Rodriguez one went too bad. The headers were decent, and the first one was pretty good from everyone. I think the Ronaldo free kick was just...
The Ronaldo free kick's the Ronaldo free kick.
That's
And the
why
James
he's the
Rodríguez is the James Rodríguez. Like, the Ronaldo free kick isn't what defines Ronaldo. There's plenty that he's done, but that Rodriguez one is kind of what defined Rodriguez. He did other good stuff, but that was like the stand-up moment for him, you know. So you're trying to replicate something like that. Jeez.
And remember, kids, God loves a trier.
It's very true. It's very true.
So that was it. Recreating World Cup goals. We've been some guys. What guys?
Us guys.
Yeah.
Get in the comments if you want us to do more types of these videos, you know.
And until next time,
Respect.
Yeah, with a team that's goated, coated in gold.